this first video, we're going to go ahead and cover some basic steps and practices that you would do with any WordPress site when you first set it up. What we have here is a clean, fresh, new install of WordPress, and we're going to go ahead and go through a couple options here. The first one is the permalinks. We want to make sure those are set correctly, so we go to Settings, Permalinks, and what we're looking for is one of two options, either post name or custom structure with the post name tag, and we'll go ahead and we'll save that. The next thing we want to do is we want to go to Appearance, Themes, and we make sure our theme is set up and active. And for the purposes of this video, we're using the 2012 theme, so we want to go ahead and activate that. Once the theme is activated, then we want to go ahead and install the WP Graphics Studio Core plugin, and we do that by going to Plugins, Add New, and we want to go ahead and upload our plugin. Now we want to go ahead and browse to the WP Graphics Studio zip file, and we want to go ahead and install that file. And once it's installed, we want to go ahead and activate it. And once the core plugin is installed, you'll see a page that looks similar to this. And now we want to go ahead and go back to the plugins section, because we want to add the one of the modules. For the purposes of this demo, we'll use the logos module. So we'll browse to the logo zip file, and we'll install it. Once it's installed, we want to go ahead and activate it. Once we have all the modules and plugins activated, then we want to go ahead and go to Pages, and for each module you'll see a separate page for that module, and you'll see the graphic gallery and the create graphic. On each one of these pages, we want to go ahead and set the template to the full width template with no sidebar. And once you have all the pages set to full width template with no sidebar, now we want to go ahead and set up our navigation menu. So we go to Appearance, Menus. You'll first see a default menu like this. We, however, don't want the sample page in our navigation, so we'll take it out. But you want to make sure you have Home, Create Graphic, Graphic Gallery, and then a page for each one of the modules that you installed. Go ahead and create your menu. For the 2012 theme, you want to make sure that primary menu is selected after you create it, and then go ahead and update that. And once that is updated, that pretty much is the process for installing the Graphics Studio Core and the modules. If you go to the main page of your site, you'll see the link for Create Graphic, a link for the Graphic Gallery, and if you go to Create Graphic, you will see a graphic for each one of the modules that you installed, and if you click on one, it will take you to that particular module. In another video, we'll cover the customizing of the 2012 theme for use with a site like what we have for our demo site. Thank you for viewing, and have a good day.